Children, in today's class, let us see the exponents and powers, the new chapter. Let us revise all the important concepts that we have learnt in 7th class. So, how can you write the number in expanded form? So, let us see how we can write 456 in expanded form. So this one can be written as 400 plus 50 plus 6, that is 4 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1. Correct? Now, yes, 4 into 10 square. 100 can be written as 10 square. 10 tens are 100 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power of 0. We have read about these in our last class. In this, now let us understand clearly. In 10 square, 10 is called base and 2 is called index or exponent. What you are doing here? When we say 5 square, that means the base 5 has to be multiplied how many times? Index times. So that is 2 times. So if we write 2 to the power of 8, that means 2 has to be multiplied by 2 how many times? 8 times. 2 into 2 into 2, 3, 4th time, 5th time, 6th time, 7th time, 8th time. See, they are writing this many times. This is 8 times itself is taking this much of time. So, to reduce the time and to write it effectively, these exponents and powers will be of helpful to us. So, what is the value of 2 to the power of 8? 4. 4 to 8. Yes, 8 to 16, 16 to 32, 32 to 64, 128, 256. Now children, let us understand one more, the most. How to write large numbers in standard form. Large numbers in standard form. Standard form. How to write large numbers in standard form? So let us say that diameter of earth is 12756 3 zeros kilometers. What do you mean by this? So when you put commas, so thousands, lakhs, crores, 1 crore 27 lakhs 56,000 kilometers. So when you write the number in the form of a into 10 to the power m, where a is equal to a is less than 10 and a should be 1 is less than a is less than 10. So now see this, 1 is less than a is less than 10, less than 9. And m is any natural number. Or when you take it into negatives, so we can write it as integral number, including integers, negative numbers. Now children, so this writing like this is called scientific or standard form. So here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can write 127,561,230 kilometers is equal to 1.2756 into 10 to the power of 7 kilometers. Is this not easy to write and read? Instead of here, if you don't keep commas correctly also, you will get wrong answer. Now let us get into the most important one. The laws of exponents. The laws of exponents, which we have read in our last class, in 7th class. So what are laws of exponents? We know first law says, so powers of same base, when powers of same base, in this we have three conditions. So first condition is a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So this says that we know the formula. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So let us take an example and understand this. 5 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 3 plus 2, that is 5 to the power of 5. Now let us understand the second one. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus 1, m minus n. Here, to understand this, let us take one example. 3 to the power of 10 divided by 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 10 minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 7. Now let us look into one more condition. When powers m is equal to n in B, that is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, when m is equal to n, so we can write it as a to the power of m divided by a to the power of m. So when we use this a to the power of m minus m, that is equal to a to the power of 0. So how much is this? Let us understand this with an example. 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 3. So when you look into this, 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 2 into 2 into 2, right? So what is 2 to the power of 3? So this we can write it as 2 cancels, 2 cancels, 2 cancels. So we get 1. So when we use the formula, we get 2 to the power of 3 minus 3, that is equal to 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. See. So what is the value of a to the power of 0 now? It is 1. Very good, children. Now let us look into the other identities. Now let us look into this, the powers with the same exponent. So this is a to the power of n into b to the power of n, that is equal to a into b whole power n. So let us take an example and understand this. 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 3. So this is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? So this one can be written as 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3. That is equal to 2 into 3 whole cube. That is what? See here, a to the power of n, b to the power of n is equal to a into b whole power n. Now, let us understand one more. A to the power of n divided by b to the power of n. So, 2 cube divided by 3 cube. 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3 whole cube. So a to the power of n by b to the power of n is equal to a by b whole power n. Now let us look into one more, which is power of powers, which is power of powers. What do you mean by power of powers? Yes, a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 4, that is 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube, that is, yes, 2 to the multiplied, yeah, we know this, that is 2, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that's correct, that is equal to 2 to the power of 3 4s are, see, m into n. Now let us look into one more. Numbers with exponent 0, bases with exponents 0, exponents 0. So a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So let us, we have just now seen in our a to the power of m divided by a to the power of m, we have used it in our division and we have verified this. So a to the power of m divided by a to the power of m is equal to 1. So 2 square divided by 2 square is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 2 into 2. See here, 2 cancels. By formula we have 2 minus 2 is equal to 1. 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So now let us understand the next important one, the negative power. What do you mean by negative power? A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m, and 1 by a to the power of minus n is equal to a to the power of n. We know that the multiplicative inverse, while reading about multiplicative inverse of 5, what is the multiplicative inverse of 5? Is 1 by 5. So here, what is the multiplicative inverse of 5 square? Is 1 by 5 square. So we know that once we write it in this in the denominator, the base, the power can be expressed as negative. Similarly, multiplicative inverse of 7 to the power of minus 3 is, yes, which is nothing but 7 to the power of 3. Very good. Now children, you have to remember this one clearly. And an important one which I wanted to tell you, which will be helpful for solving the problems. -1 to the power of odd number is always -1. 1 to the power of -1 to the power of even number is always even. These two we will just understand it. So -1 to the power of 3, -1 into -1 into -1, that is equal to -1. So odd number you will get minus. Similarly for even number, -1 into -1 into -1 into -1. So for every two numbers, minus into minus is plus, minus into minus is plus. So you will get +1. So you have to remember this, which will be of helpful to you for your problem solving. So we can write any number. We can write the number as product of primes. So let me take 120. So how to write 120 as product of primes? First we will find prime factorization for this. 2, as it is an even number, we can divide it by 2. So we get 60. So when you divide this, once again, this is an even number 60, so we get 30. 30 is an even number 15. 15. 3 5s are 15. So 120 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So how many 2's are there? 3. So 2 cube. How many times 2 is being multiplied by itself? 3 times. So 2 cube into 3 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of 1. This is how we can write the expanded form of the factors of the given number. Children, we will understand by doing the worksheet of all these sums, so that it will be of helpful to us to remember all this whatever we have done.